Chapter 3. Make it obvious. When it comes to cues, such as the buzzing of our phone or the drinking of coffee, we are prompted to check our messages or brush our teeth. But once you understand how our actions can be influenced by certain stimuli, you can learn how to manipulate your cues to implement better habits. For instance, Anne Thorndike, a primary care physician at the Massachusetts General Hospital in Boston, believed she could improve the eating habits of thousands of hospital staff and visitors simply by manipulating their environment. She decided to replace soda with bottled water in the refrigerators next to the cash register. But she didn't stop there. She added bottled water to every drinking station across the cafeteria. Over 3 months, the number of bottled water sold increased by 25.8%, while soda sales dropped by 11.4%. By making simple adjustments, people made healthier choices because the cue to drink water was more prevalent than soda. You see, the most powerful sensory ability in humans is our vision. The human body contains almost 11 million sensory receptors, and almost 10 million are dedicated to sight alone. In other words, visual cues are among the highest motivation for behaviors. Therefore, a small change in what we see can lead to a big change in what we do. Luckily, we can design our environment to our advantage. But how? Let's say you want to create a habit of practicing guitar. You'll be far less likely to practice if you keep your guitar locked away in a box in your closet. Instead, you should place your guitar somewhere easily seen, like the middle of a room. If you want to eat healthier, place snacks on the counter in plain sight instead of hiding somewhere in the pantry. Want to work out more? Simply put your workout clothes and sneakers out the night before, so when you wake up, you can see them. Creating visual cues can bring attention to your desired habit. Additionally, you can create desired cues by practicing implementation intentions. This simply means that you make a plan beforehand of when, where, and how you are going to accomplish something. When you create a plan, you are more likely to stick with your habits. For instance, a study of voters in the United States found that citizens who were asked, "At what time will you vote?" and "How will you get to the voting station?" were far more likely to turn up and vote versus those who were simply asked if they would vote. So instead of telling yourself that you are going to exercise more often, set a plan and say, "On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I'm going to go to spin class after work." And then pack a bag with you to bring for work and leave it in the front seat of your car so it stays in plain sight.